Hello, everyone. Uh, you all are welcome to Crypto Based Media. Yeah. So, what's up now? How you guys doing? How's it been? It's been about 2 weeks since we last had a meeting like this. I hope everyone is hearing me clearly. I hope everyone is hearing me. So, quickly, I would like you to introduce yourself in the comment section briefly. Your name and where you are listening from. Your name and where you are listening from. Oh, fine, Elias. I see you. The first person to comment on our channel tonight. Your name and where you are listening from. Quickly do that in the comment section quickly so we can get things started. I Arnold Elias I hello Dapsy. So basically, just tell me your name and where you are listening from or where you are watching us from. Your name and where you are watching from. The first person that did the introduction was Babalola David from Shokoto. Uchenna, I see you as well. Prince, I see you. Dapsy, I see you. I hope it's the Dapsy I know. Hmm. Adiribigbe Tominsin, hello. Esther, hello. IJ from Benue, hello. How are you doing this evening? Elias from Enugu State, hello. Uchenna from Enugu, hello. How are you doing? Jude from Enugu as well. Two Enugu people in the meeting tonight. That's great. Hello, Jude from Enugu. Hello, Ademola. Hello, Dapo. Hello, Billy. Billy from Edo State. Hello, Iket. I hope I got that pronunciation right. Hello, Sheon from Ondo. Hello, Esther from Lagos. Hello, Arnold from Abuja. Hello, Dorothy from Ilewe. Don't know whether I got that pronunciation right. Hello, Sadiq from Ilorin. Hello, Abubakar from Niger State. Hello, Akin from Abuja. Hello, Suleiman from Abuja. Hello, Oladele from Lagos. Hello, Amos from Anambra. Hello, Kingsley from Enugu. Hello, Josh from Osun State, Ife. You all are welcome to the platform this evening. Yeah, it's been a great week actually. No, I think that was already last week. This is a new week. We're actually taking a new week. But do you know that in cryptocurrency, basically we take our own week, we count our own week from Monday to Sunday. Do you understand? So let's just say we are still in the previous week because we are going to be seeing the opening of a new week right now on TradingView, even on TradingView. Opening of a new week will start from Monday, right? So it will start from Monday. Even the closing of a day is 1 hour, should I say 1 hour late? Because the day doesn't really close at 12 p.m. or at 11:59 p.m. The day closes at 12:59 p.m. So we start a new candle by one. Sorry, it closes by 12:59 a.m. So we start a new candle by 1 a.m. Right? That's how it says. I see you all. I see you all. I hope you guys can hear me clearly. So basically tonight we'll be talking about a topic which can save you from liquidation, a topic which can save you from going to the village, a topic that can really propel you to mastery when it gets to cryptocurrency trading and investments. And my name is Rock, and I'm also a crypto trader like you guys, like everyone else here. So, guys, we are literally all traders, right? We're literally all looking for opportunities in the market and taking um, good use of that opportunity, right? So I'm a crypto trader and I'm also a crypto tutor. And that is exactly why I'm here with you guys. That's exactly why I'm here with you guys. Because I'm a crypto tutor, you understand? So yeah, as well listening to crypto based media. Yeah, where people get rich. Basically, that's it. That's it. You all are welcome. You all are welcome, really. So as I was saying, we are going to be looking at how to not lose money in a bull market. You see, most people, the time when they lose money is when the bull market is going to convert into a bearish market. Basically, when there is a correction in the bearish market. I'm sure. I thought I saw a news that about 500 and something $1 million got liquidated in this little correction that we had recently. You know, after the CPI news. Was it the CPI news? There was one news that happened on, was it Friday or Saturday? So basically, Bitcoin started dumping from that area. I think we saw Bitcoin dump to the price of $65,000, and then a lot of people lost money in that kind of scenario. In that kind of just that small dump. You understand? Although it's a small dump, anyways, it's a small dump. It can be compared to 20% or 30% dump on Bitcoin alone. It's been nice, anyways. It's actually been nice that we can see Bitcoin moving and doing healthy corrections. And I need to, in fact, let me share my screen with you guys. I'd like to share my trading view screen with you guys so that you guys can see everything that we're talking about. Share screen, Windows. Yeah. So basically, let me just go to my BTC charts. This is Bitcoin. Let's make this easy. Yeah, I hope everyone can hear me and see my screen. Yeah, the screen is enlarged this thing now. So basically, we had Bitcoin pump up to like $74,000, and then our Bitcoin now dumped to $64,000. It's just basically an LD correction, if you ask me. It's basically an LD correction. If you look at it properly, you see that Bitcoin is currently in that uptrend. Let's just draw a short-term uptrend for Bitcoin right here. Basically, guys, most of our classes, or should I say most of our meetings, how it starts is that I'm going to take a look at, for the sake of people that are just joining, like this is the first time they are joining us. What I basically do is that I take a good look at what Bitcoin is currently doing and what Bitcoin is going to do next. Do you understand? So you can see this here clearly that we had this kind of uptrend, although not so smooth. But we had this kind of uptrend where the market was just going with higher highs and higher lows. This is basically BTC daily time frame, right? So we had this uptrend where Bitcoin was going higher highs, higher lows. For those that don't know what higher highs and higher lows are, they are basically the structure of an uptrend. Do you understand? In a candlestick chart. So basically, if we have an higher highs and higher lows, it means that that asset we are talking about is currently making highs. So inside that highs, there's going to be lows. That's what higher highs and higher lows mean. So if you can see my cursor very well, you can see that that's basically what Bitcoin is doing right here, right? So what's up with that trading view? I hope this network has not started it's nonsense again. Better. So I hope everyone can hear and see my screen clearly. If you can hear me and see my screen clearly, send Crypto Based Media in the chat session. Quickly in the comment section. If you can hear me and see my screen clearly, send Crypto Based Media in the comment section. If you can hear and see my screen clearly, send Crypto Based in the comment section. Quickly. Don't let us waste time. Send Crypto Based in the comment section if you can hear and see my screen clearly. I want to know people that are actually following. If you can hear, oh, perfect. Tominson, thank you. Tominson, thank you. Okay. Okay. Tominson, thank you. Yeah, it's actually crypto based media. CRYPTOBASE. There is no space. Crypto based media. Exactly. Marianne, I see you. Now I know people are following me. I know my real people. I know my people and my people know me. Now let's move on. So basically, Bitcoin has been making these higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher highs, and higher lows. Do you understand? And basically, that's an healthy movement. Do you understand? We can't just have the price of the coin just go up in a straight line or just go upward from bottom to top like that. No, it doesn't work that way. In cryptocurrency, there are ups and downs. And that is basically what you are seeing right there. Guys, do you know that crypto trading is basically the depiction of real life, right? Like we are talking about life now. Life is not a smooth line. Even if you are making progress, you are going upward. There are some times that you are going to have drawdowns in life, and that's very normal. So, if you are somebody that you are listening to me right now, you are currently in your drawdown phase. I want you to know that your upward phase is coming. Do you understand? I want you to know that your progress phase is coming, and it is coming very, very soon. Because that time that you are feeling like you can't level up, like you are feeling so down, you are feeling so dry, you are feeling so unmotivated to do anything, I promise you that if you keep on moving, if you keep on going, you are definitely going to reach your breakthrough just soon enough. But that boy once said something. I don't know whether I've mentioned it in one of our meetings before. He said, "You see that time when you're feeling like you can't level up, that's when you have to shut the devil up. That moment you feel like you can't level up, like you can't move up, like you just feel stuck. That's the moment. That's the exact moment that you should actually put in more effort so that you can shut the devil up, because it's actually the devil that is making you feel like you're a loser, you're a failure. So be it in your real life or in cryptocurrency trading, if you're feeling like you've lost a lot of money, you don't want to enter the market again, you are tired, you are tired. See, if you decide you don't want to enter the market again, you just end up leaving a lot of money on the table. Do you understand? So the fact is that that moment you are feeling down is the moment where you should seek more knowledge. It's moments where you should not give up. It's moments where you should do the right things that you're supposed to do. Guys, see, basically, cryptocurrency trading is more about psychology than all these technical analysis and fundamentals that we are teaching you. It's about your mind. It's about your mindset. Do you understand? And that's why I actually picked this topic of how to not lose money in a bull market. Do you understand? So everything can be rosy. In fact, even a fool can call a coin. Trust me, a 5-year-old can call a coin, can tell you to go and buy so coin, and that coin is going to pump. Do you understand it now? That is what a bull market does. But if you are not careful, if you get carried away by the hype, by the euphoria, at the end of the day, you might end up losing all of the money. You might end up losing all of the money. Do you understand it now? So that is why you need to take your risk management serious. Don't worry, we are still going to go through how the network will make Bybit Global work tonight. The network is not allowing. But even though the network is not going to allow, we are definitely going to do something about risk management tonight. So basically, there are a lot of risk management strategies, right? And which you need to know. There are a lot of risk management strategies. The number one and the most important one is your stop loss. Do you understand? Your stop loss. That is the most important risk management measure or risk management strategy. If you take your stop loss serious, trust me, you can't lose all of your money. There was one time I made a video about about your number one objective as a trader. Let's say, for instance, now you're a soldier, and you are going to war. Then your commander or your chief tells you that number one assignment is to eliminate. Sorry, he says number one assignment is to rescue the kidnapped person. Number two assignment, okay, let me take it again. You are going to a war front, or you are going for a mission, and then your commander tells you that your number one assignment is to not get killed. That's your number one objective. Your number two objective is to extract the kidnapped victim. Now, your number three objective is to kill the terrorists if you can. Now, I want you to know that these objectives are in order of priority. Number one is to not get killed. Number two is to rescue the kidnapped victim. Number three is to kill the kidnappers, right? Now, tell me, if you later went to this battleground and then unfortunately, you were reckless enough that you later got killed, how are you going to rescue the kidnapper? How are you going to rescue the victim, the person that was kidnapped? It's not possible. Now, let's come back to real crypto world. Your number one objective in the real crypto world is to not run out of capital, is to not get killed. Do you understand? Not get killed. Now, you see the kidnapped victim is your profit. If you're able to rescue the kidnapped victim, that means you are making money. That means you are making profits. Now, before you even think about that making profits, about that making money, you need to think about not getting killed first. Do you understand? Imagine that you have $500. You want to go and start trading or investing in cryptocurrency. Now, the moment you enter that trade, just one trade, you entered with all of your $500. You say, man, you are really looking at the take profit level. That, man, if this coin should pump times two, that would be $1,000. Cool money, flash. And unfortunately for you, you didn't set any stop loss. Then this coin later dumped by 99%. Where's your $500? The $500 is gone. It's gone and gone forever. That is why a lot of people say cryptocurrency trading is risky. Don't trade crypto. Don't do this. Don't do that. Oh, all those one is nonsense talk. Trust me. If you know how to manage your risk, you won't, at the first place, you won't carry a whole $500 into one trade. There's this popular investment saying that says, don't put all eggs in one basket. Don't put all eggs in one basket. You only have $500 your all eggs, and you put it in one basket, and then that basket gets pumped. Your money will get burnt. You'll be unable to trade another day. That's what happens when you don't manage risk. Do you understand it now? So that risk management is very, very important. But look at it now. Let's say, for instance, the person that entered that trade with $500, the person actually set stop loss that, okay, if this trade goes against me and then I'm losing money to the extent that I lose up to $50, at that $50 exactly, just stop the trade for me. I want to get out of this trade. And at the end of the day, you end up with $450. You have $450 left. You only lost $50 instead of losing a whole $500. Do you guys now see the difference and the importance of risk management? So risk management is just very, very important. Trust me, there are a lot of people that want to tempt you with greed. Even greed, you yourself, you want to tempt yourself that, come on, don't let me set stop loss. So if I set my stop loss now and the trade hits my stop loss and later go back to my take profits, I don't want something like that. And then unfortunately, when you later go ahead to do your plan, your plan that doesn't really work well, that doesn't even sound good as a trader, you now end up losing money. Do you understand it now? It's so bad. It's so bad. So number one objective is to protect your capital. Protect your capital. No matter what the market is doing, no matter what it is. Guys, the market doesn't hate you. Let me tell you that for one fact. The market doesn't hate you. The market doesn't even know you. You see these green and red candles you are seeing? They are just emotions of traders like you and I. People like you and I that are trading and moving upward, downward, this, that. That's it. That is what is compiled into these green and red candles. So basically, our emotions is just up and down, up and down. There are some people that are afraid that the market is going to dump, so they are not even they are busy selling. They are afraid that the market is going to dump more, so they are busy selling. And there are people that believe that okay, this market is going to pump, and they are busy buying. And people that are buying normally do what? People that are buying, they are the type that normally pump the market. What about people that are selling? They are the people they are the type that normally short the market. Do you understand? They are the price that normally they are the parts that normally draw the markets down or make the markets go down. Do you understand? So God bless you, Sonia. Risk management is the holy grail. Risk management is the holy grail. It's very important. It's very important. So basically, a lot of people, because of greed, they will say, I don't want to set stop loss, I don't want to set risk management. Trust me, guys, in this life, I believe whatever you are doing, whatever skill it is you are learning. Give me 1 second, guys. So I believe whatever skill it is you are learning, whatever thing it is you are doing, people you should actually listen to are not people who got rich by luck. See, there are tons of traders out there, tons of investors out there that their source of wealth is just luck. If that money finishes today, they won't be able to build it up again. Do you understand? It's just luck. They just bought one coin and then the coin just pumped, just boom, like that. And that's the first time and they're a newbie. And from henceforth, they now feel like they are the boss, they are this, they are that. I advise you, don't ever listen to people like that. Do you know people you should listen to? People that have made money, people that have lost money, and people that have made that money back. There's actually this this short story about Donald Trump. There was one time that Donald Trump actually lost money, like he went back to going down, like seriously, he lost billions of dollars. Do you understand? And fortunately for him, was able to build his wealth back. You see, anybody that have done something similar to that, those are people that you should listen to. Let me say, in 2020, 2021 bull market, a lot of people were making money, including myself. I made nothing less than 8 times of my capital at that point in time. Then I was still in school. I was still in school then. Like, I just had this pride in me. My friend would just look at me like this. Just one small, because I had one small issue then, schoolings and student, and you know how students used to behave now. I had one small issue then, and then fortunately for me, I was able to solve it because it was just something that money will solve. I was able to solve it quickly. And then my friend was asking me that, where did I get this money? The money I used to pay for this thing. How come now? How come? Is there something you are not telling me? What is this? What exactly are you doing? How come? I wasn't even expecting that you'd be able to afford this thing, or I mean, you'd be able to solve this problem quickly. I was like, Shebi is money. Forget that, Charlie. Forget that. That's also one thing to remind you that money is very important. So where am I going? At that point in time, everybody were making money, even me myself. And then, unfortunately, what year was it again? I mean, I think it was 20, still that same 2021. There's this see before I had that date in my head when I've not yet healed. I still had that date in my head. I was keeping the date when Tesla first sold their stock, and then a lot of Tesla first sold their Bitcoin, and then a lot of institutional investors now started selling and selling, and Bitcoin dumped. This is this thing here now. The what is it called is right here. The chart is right here. I'm going to pull it up now. Hey, network, don't injure me, I beg. What's up? What's up? Okay, let me just continue, right? Let me just continue. Let me just continue. So then, then, uh, I lost a lot of money then, a lot of it, a lot of it. But I now went back to my drawing book. Normally, when you lose that amount of money, you feel like everything is done. What's up? What is it? But I look for the way forward, right? After, yes, it's May 2021, Sonia, thank you. After that time, I looked for the way forward. I looked for how to improve my trading psychology. I checked my mistakes, what I did wrong. Do you understand? I actually now looked in depth to what trading actually is. Mm? Rather than just buying and holding and buying and holding and buying and holding and selling later. I looked in depth into what trading is. I got to understand these concepts and I began to build everything back, to build everything back, to build everything back. I just had that assurance that for this thing that is called crypto to make me such amount of money, then definitely I'm going to make it back. Guys, I was expecting that I will make back what I lost then, probably in these new bullish markets that we are entering. But I made it back even in that bearish markets. How? With futures trading. Do you understand now? So basically, you need to understand these concepts, and that is why you need to listen to me attentively tonight. That is why you need to listen to me attentively, because I've seen the wins, I've seen the losses, I've seen the wins again. Do you understand? So if I'm telling you, if somebody like me is telling you to take risk management seriously, you shouldn't joke with it. Don't joke with it. Now, how can you take risk management seriously? Number one, by setting your stop loss. Do you understand it now? Now, stop loss is not just something that you just set anyhow, Abi, that you just say you are setting stop loss, Abi, that you just do. Okay, yeah, the chart has loaded. It was this week, yeah. It's this week. I think it pumped to like $68,000 or something like that. Then Bitcoin just dumped. Do you understand this? Bitcoin just dumped. And now look at it, we are back up. We are back up. We are back up. So basically, the risk management measures that you need to take note of. I know you want to make money so bad in this market. Me too, I want to make money so bad in this market. But you must keep it at the back of your mind that as you are making money, as you are making that profits, make sure that you are also protecting it. See, there's this basic strategy that I said I was going to be using for investing in new projects, right? I said if I'm entering into new projects, after that project has done times two, I'll remove my initial capital. I'll let the rest run, right? I'll remove my initial capital, let the rest run. I did the same with this project, SDAO. I actually did this SDAO. What year? I think it was last year. Was it last year? I can't really recall. But just 2 days ago, I didn't even know. Just 2 days ago, I just checked my chart. I said, SDAO has gone times two from my entry. Are you serious? I think my entry was around the year 0.7 or 0. What is it called? So that SDAO has done times two from my entry. Wow, that's interesting. What did I do? I removed my initial capital. I've left the rest. Let it roll. Let it roll. Now, you see that rest that is rolling. Later on, I'll still take my profits from it. Do you understand? So another risk management strategy, this might sound confusing, but let me just chip it in. Another risk management strategy is taking profits. A lot of us, see, I know somebody personally that has seen 600% profits just because he was waiting for times 10 times 10 profits. It was waiting for 1,000% profits, right? That's like times 10 of the investment. If you invested $100 and waiting for times 10 profits, that's $1,000 profits, right? Just because it was waiting for times 10, he looked at this coin go down from that 600%, go down back to 95%. Look at something like that. Like you saw clearly that your profit was going back down and you didn't take profit. You were still saying, the markets will pump. The markets will pump, it will pump. It will pump now. This thing, I'm very sure this coin we have to do like 20 times. Guys, your family member is not the devil. It's not your family member that is developing coin. It has nothing to do with you. You don't have any attachment. You shouldn't be attached to any project. See, that's one of the reasons why I see that people make risk management mistakes. Why they don't take risk management seriously? Because they've done research. I used to do it. I do crazy research, hours on research, researching a coin. Then at the end of the day, if this coin actually start pumping and then what you believe in is actually happening, you now so much believe in this coin, like nothing, you can bet on this coin, do this, do that, and at the end of the day, if that coin go and shank you, it's not the fault of the developers, it's not the fault of the coin, it's nobody's fault, it is your fault. Why? Because you trusted that project too much. Is anyone feeling me? Is anyone feeling me? Let me know in the comment section. Is anyone feeling me? Are you learning something tonight? Are you learning something tonight? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Are you guys learning something tonight? Are you learning something tonight? See, you see that risk management, a lot of people don't take it serious. They don't take it serious. And it's because of greed. Greed, that emotion is very crazy. You're supposed to take profit. You know you're supposed to take profit, but you don't take that profit. Fine, we are in a bullish market. It's fine for markets to go up. It's fine. You can as well set your what is it called? What is this thing? Aside from normal take profits, your trailing take profits. Do you understand? You can take your profits small. Just be adjusting your stop loss and be adjusting it in profits. Be adjusting it in profits. Be adjusting your stop loss in profits. Small. Do you understand it now? This thing is basically simple. It's basically simple. See, if I enter a kind of market like this, where's my long tool? If I enter a kind of market right here, if I enter Bitcoin right here, if I enter Bitcoin right here, why? Because I feel this is a good level, right? Now, I enter Bitcoin right here. I set my stop loss for this place. Now, I feel, okay, Bitcoin is pumping. It has crossed my take profit. If I feel I still want to leave it, that I still want to leave Bitcoin, let it be going. I'll come here again. Now, what will I do? I'll move my stop loss from a loss. I'll move it to break even first. If Bitcoin is still pumping, Bitcoin is now here. I'll move it again. Now, my stop loss is in what? My stop loss is now in profit. Look at it. My stop loss is now in profits. Is now in profits. Do you understand? So if Bitcoin continues to move again, I'll continue to move my what again? I'll continue to move my stop loss again, right? I'll continue to move my stop loss again. I'll continue to move it again. I'll move it again. And to do this, it's just so unfortunate that our app is not opening up. To do this on the Bybit app, it's just for you modifying that stop loss level, that TPSL level. That stop loss level. If you don't know how to actually set this thing on the Bybit app, watch our previous session. Do you understand? It's basically on this YouTube channel. So you should as well be adjusting that stop loss level. If you know that you want to leave this coin, let it be going as it's going because of the bullish market. You can just leave it. Let it be doing whatever it wants. Do you understand? Now, another risk management measure that I want you guys to understand is what is called DCA. Is what is called DCA. Now, there are a lot of coins that I'm looking at. Let's take this Ordi for example, right? Yeah, I did this on Ordi. There are a lot of coins I'm looking at. Now, let's say I want to do DCA, right? I want to do DCA on this particular Ordi. Now, first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to mark out my levels. My number one level is here. This is my number one level. My number two level is going to be here. This is my number two level. My number three level is going to be somewhere around here. So basically, if I have about, let me just bring it up because of so people, you guys do not think it's just big money we are mentioning here. Let's talk about $100. Let's say I have $100. Now I want to buy this particular Audi. What will I do? I can say out of that $100, let me use $30 to buy here. Let me buy $30 worth of Audi here. If Audi dumps and comes to this place again, I'll buy $30 of another Audi here. Making how much? Making $60. Now, if Audi is now vexing, I think I need to close my window. Hold on, guys. Give me one sec. So basically, what am I saying? If Audi comes back to this place, I'll buy Audi again. That's about $90 with buying Audi. Now, this is where you are going to be reaping the profit of this Audi. When it now reverses, when the profits now start coming in, it reverses, and it's now going up. Trust me, you'll be definitely different from somebody that's used all of their $100 to buy Audi at this point. Eh? The person that used $100 to buy Audi at this point will still be down, while you that you bought 3 times with DCA, you'll be up in profit, right? You'll be up in profit. Guys, you can try this out with any coin at all, and you confirm what I'm talking about. DCA. It's called dollar cost averaging. It's a risk management strategy. So instead of you just buying into the coin at once, buy small, 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 small. Do you understand? That's a good risk management strategy. So because of corrections like this, I did the same thing with Bitcoin. I think I bought Bitcoin 2022 to 2023. I've been buying and accumulating Bitcoin ever since then. That bearish market that people were afraid that hey, Bitcoin is dumping, Bitcoin is this, Bitcoin is that. I was accumulating and buying Bitcoin at that point. It's just so unfortunate that I didn't keep the record of each buy that I did. I didn't keep the record of each buy. But I knew I started buying, I think at 30,000. I bought at I bought at 30,000, I bought at 20 something thousand, I bought at 18,000. Did we come to 18,000? I think we jumped to 18,000. Where I sure kept on buying. I kept on buying and buying and buying. That's basically DCA too. Do you understand? So it's basically different from the person that just bought at one price. As the market is going down, you are buying and you are sucking up the dip. That's what is called DCA. I hope you guys understand now. So that is another risk management strategies that you can use. But basically, when you are analyzing, let me even check this coin that I analyzed in the morning. I think it was about two coins safe. Yeah, see this. Wow. I don't know say Met is done the go. I hope you guys are seeing this. This was a trade I took this morning. This is Metis USDT, right? And then look at where I set my stop loss. Look at where I set my stop loss. Look at it. Stop loss is in around 8%, right? And the take profit as 30%. Look at it. So as Metis is moving, it's kept on benefiting me. I know that if unfortunately this Metis later hits my stop loss, I will end up in a loss, but a small loss. Why will it be a small loss? Because I set my stop loss and I set my risk management. Do you understand it now? Do you understand that? So basically, that is just it. That is just it. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. So, let's see. Yeah, if you are trading with your phone, you can just buy, what is it called? I said buy. You can just install TradingView app. The app is available for TradingView. You understand? The app is available for TradingView. And then you can use your Bybit to trade. Do you understand? The other trade I took this morning was OP. Let me see how OP is doing. Oh wow. I didn't even move this to the left. Let me move it. Ah, look at my OPU. Look at my OP. Do you guys know why I actually set my buys here? Because I noticed that this is a good level, right? This is a good level. So even if OP is dumping here, I can as well set my trade here, set my take profits here, set my stop loss here. Do you understand? So basically, that is how it works. That is how it works. It's not hard at all. It's not hard at all. Risk management, you need to take it serious. You need to take your risk management serious. You need to take it serious. Let's take it serious. And as we're looking at Bitcoin, let's look at what Bitcoin is going to do for us this week. Yeah, Bitcoin is currently at 68,400. So as you are looking at it, this is very possible that Bitcoin tested this trend line and is going back up, right? And you can as well see this line. This is $65,000. This is a very strong support line because it has become a support line now. Bitcoin retested this line. Now, if Bitcoin should go up from here, we are definitely going up to like 80K next. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. From this chart, if we should close this candle in green and the candle after that in green, then we are going. That means the retest has been confirmed. Guys, there are some times where you want to buy a breakout, but you don't want to buy the breakout immediately at this point. Now, what you do is that you wait for a retest. It's also a strategy. You wait for a retest. Instead of just buying here, you wait for the coin to go up first and come back and come and test the line. Once it tests the line, you just buy in. Do you understand it now? So it's not hard at all. So guys, if you have any question, quickly drop it in the comment section so that I'll answer them before the end of this session. So quickly. If you have any question about what we've talked about tonight, send it in the comment section so that I'm going to answer them. Fast. Amen. Oh, that's a rebook greed. Oh, rebook greed. Chichi, it happens. It happens. Greed is crazy. It's crazy. As long as you can manage your risk, set your stop loss, move your stop loss and profit. Those are risk management strategies. Do you understand? Use DCA, dollar cost averaging. Is very, very important. Do you understand? Do you understand? So that is it. Yeah, when Bitcoin ETF was approved, we actually saw a little pump and then we saw a dump and then we saw a pump again. Do you understand? That was how it works. That's how it was. This market is full of up and down. But if you can manage your risk properly, you can set your stop loss, you are good to go. Trust me, you are good to go. Yeah, so basically, victory that is asking when is the bull market starting. The bull market has started since, so the bull market has started. The bull market has started since. I don't know where you're getting your information from, but the bull market started from around this price since October 2023. In fact, let me just keep it simple. Let me say January of this year. Where is January of this year? The bull market started since, let's say from this part, the bull market has started, it has started since we are already in a bullish market. So what you should look for is corrections and enter the market at corrections. That is exactly what you should look for. Now, this is a correction. Entering the market here is not bad, but currently the market has pumped up again. You can still enter here, it is fine. I hope you understand now. So, I'm explaining how to do DCA, please. Yeah, Alvin is basically when the reward of miners is cut into two. And basically, according to history, after each Alvin, um, Bitcoin intends to pump. The price of Bitcoin will increase after each Alvin. That I'm shouting on top of my voice so that you guys can really hear me. So basically, the Alvin that is going to happen this year will happen next month, which is April. Do you understand? So wait for that event. But you need to know that before every Alvin, there is always a dump. Do you understand? So after the dump, then the pump. So expect the dump. That dump that you see is the opportunity to enter. Anytime you see that the market, see here, I wanted to take trade all this while. But because I've not yet seen dump, that's why I've not yet traded. Now, because I saw dump today on Metis, on OP, then I traded. I entered the market. I hope you get it now. So it's as simple as that. Let me see more questions. Pullback is what happened to Bitcoin when the price of Bitcoin dumped. That's a pullback or a correction. Pullback is an opportunity for you to enter the market. Do you understand? It's an opportunity for you to enter the market and to make money. In fact, pullback, when you enter the market as pullback, when you buy a coin as pullback, is very, very high. Probability that you make money is very, very high. Why? Because it's an uptrend. The uptrend is just relaxing. It is just cooling off. So that moment is cooling off. You can buy in at that point. Then it is good for you. You can make money. There is a long position on the Bybit app. And guys, if you are listening to me, make sure that you are using our link to register on your Bybit app. If you've not registered on the Bybit app, make sure that you do that immediately. Do you understand? Immediately after this session, make sure that you go and register on the Bybit app. Do you understand? Okay, Marianne says cross and isolated margin, which is better. If they are just starting out, use isolated margin. Do you understand? It will help you to manage your risk more. And it will help you to say, it will help you to just, let me say, it will help you to not get liquidated of all your money. Let me put it that way. That is it. No, stop loss figure is picked according to technical analysis. Do you understand? Stop loss figure is picked according to technical analysis. Look at what I've done here. I hope you are hearing me. Why did I not set my stop loss to this price? Why did I not set it here? Why did I not set it here? And say my stop loss is at 0.001%. I can't set it there. Why? Because I see that the price of this coin has touched this place before. It has touched this place before. It has touched this place before. And this is basically a support line. Now, I want to be setting my stop loss where? Below that support line. And I want to give it space between this guy and this guy. That is why I set my stop loss at this point. Do you understand now? If you look at these other metrics too, you can see that I put space in the stop loss area. This is basically my entry. This is basically my stop loss. Assuming I set my stop loss here, the price would have already hit my stop loss and go back to my take profit. Do you see that now? So that is why you need to give your stop loss distance. And it is done with technical analysis. It's done with technical analysis. Just set your stop loss below your support line where it is possible that the markets will not touch it. Do you understand now? So let me see more questions. Well, when you should have entered, Fawaz Adeyemi, when you should have entered a long trade was this morning when Bitcoin has not started going to 68K. But I will advise you, if you want to enter a long now, wait for the daily close. If it closes in a green candle, then it's good for you. You can go ahead. Use the link, Adeyinka Ige, use the link in our Telegram channel on the WhatsApp or on the WhatsApp group to register for Bybit. Do you understand? The link will be posted after this class again. To know whether a token is overbought, you make use of RSI. God bless you. I love that question. I love that question. If you want to know when a token is overbought, you make use of RSI. So there are basically three values in RSI: the 30, the 50, and the 70. Now, if the coin is in 70 and above, currently this coin is in 40, right, on the daily time frame. If the coin is in 70 and above, it means that that coin is overbought, and that coin might jump, right? If it's in 30 and below, it means that that coin is oversold, and that coin might pump. If it's in 50, it means that it is average. It's neither overbought nor oversold. Do you understand? So that is basically what it is. Now, if a coin is overbought, you want to be shorting that coin. But be careful, you're in a bullish market. Don't just short any coin. Now, if a coin is oversold, you want to be longing that coin. We are currently in a bullish market. Look for oversold region. Long that coin at that point. Do you understand it? You make a lot of money. I promise you. Imagine that you long this coin at this point, 37 RSI, and now you take your profits here, 60 RSI. It's basically from here, this price, $2 to how much? $3. You will make a lot of money. Trust me. Do you understand? So even if you long this coin at this point, 40 RSI, when this coin now go to oversold, you will definitely make more money. Do you understand that now? Before you long and short a coin, you need to look at that technical analysis. Which level is it at? Before I long this coin this morning, I looked at it and I saw that this coin, it has already dumped to a certain level. That anytime this coin dumps to this level, the price usually goes up from there. Look at it. It dumped here the first time, the price went up. Dumped here, price went up. Dumped here, price went up. It means that there is a demand at this point. Now, it did the same thing, and then the market is as well going up again because there is a demand at this price point. Do you understand it? That is why. So that is how I know when to long the coin. If I want to know when to short the coin in a bearish market, I need to look for where a valid resistance, where if the price touches it, the price actually comes down from there. So I'll just set my short uh, uh, trade from there. So look at where I set my long trade from, which is already in profit. Because the price has been reacting at this level, that is it. Even if this level did not hold, the next level I can target is this level or this level. Do you understand? So Michael, I hope you understand that. To long and short for a derivative trading, just go to derivative on your what is it called, your Bybit app. Search for the coin, click on limits, enter the price which you want to long. Click on TPSL, set your take profit price, set your stop loss price, set the amount which you want to use to long, and click on buy long or click on sell short. Simple. Don't do trading bot. Oh, my advice for you, Harrison, don't do trading bots. Your money will go away. Your friend might be making money from it, but to me, trading bots looks like Ponzi scheme. Please don't do it. That's my advice for you with my experience. Take profits figure. It is also picked based on technical analysis. Dapsy, look at this. Why did I not sell my take profits higher than this? Because I saw that the last place where this coin dumped from is right here, and that's where I want to sell my take profits to. Do you see that now? That is exactly where I put it. It's according to technical analysis. It's basically checking the levels of history. The last time the coin pumped, it pumped up to this place. That's why I sell my take profits to this place. I hope you understand. Ah, man, I'm shouting on top of my voices because of this green. Uh, Roland, I think I've explained how to know whether you are too long or short. So I think that is it, guys. Thank you very much for attending this session. It's been a nice one with all of you. So sorry that I have to shout on top of my voice because of the rain. But enjoy. I can't say enjoy your weekend again, though, because tomorrow is Monday. So get ready for Monday. First thing in the morning when you wake up, analyze the market. Look at where the market is going to. Take your trades. Do not hesitate. Set your risk management. Set your stop loss. It's very, very, very important. Do you understand me now? So, guys, thank you all for attending this session. Immediately after this class, make sure that you trade on Bybit app using our link. If you are not using our link, you are doing something wrong. You are doing something wrong. So even if you've registered without our link before, go back, transfer your funds to Trust Wallet, open Bybit with our link, and transfer your funds back to your new Bybit account. So immediately after this class, the link will be posted on the various groups again. So thank you very much for attending this session. I hope you guys learned a lot. Thank you very much for being with me. It's been a nice one. It's been a nice one with you guys. Someone said, please explain lacking of profit. Explain, lack of taking profit. If you don't take profit, you do not like life. See, once in a while, take profit. Go and chop turkey. Spend money. Buy clothes. Be fine with yourself. Spend time with your family. You are making this money for a reason. Don't just be a slave to the market. Don't let the market take all of the money back. Take profit. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your life. You understand it now? So have a nice week ahead. Thank you very much for attending. I'm definitely going to see you guys next time. Stay safe, you all.